I had three emotions while reading this new photo book about the Oregon coast. We'll begin with jealousy. Why didn't I get to write it? Envy. Why did they get to spend weeks on the Oregon coast and I didn't? And wanderlust. What am I doing sitting here talking to you when I should be in Oregon? That's when I knew just how good this book was. It's called The Oregon Coast Photo Road Trip. This is a Photowalk book review segment of the Photowalks channel. The book is written by Rick and Susan Sammon. Rick is one of the great photographers. Check out his Facebook if you'd like to be awed. I was pretty much hooked from one of the opening lines. It says, exploring the Oregon coast is a magical experience, and experience that through photographs you can relive again and again and share with others. That pretty much sums up what I'm trying to do here on the Photowalks channel, because vacations are great, but without a camera, all you got is memories. Why not preserve them and be able to show off what you saw and prove it, right? But then I'm no Rick Sammon. He is a master photographer who just comes up with some amazing, beautiful shots and offers some pretty cool tips on how to get them in the book. I've read so many travel books that frankly are just so dull and they put me to sleep. They tell you how to get there, what hours attractions are open, what museums you want to go to. Snore, snore, snore. The old adage about 1,000 words and pictures really comes true in this book. The pictures tell the story, tell you why you want to go, and better yet, how to get some of these shots. Not every tip is perfect, but there's enough of them that makes it worth your money, which is 20 bucks. 20 bucks to relive Oregon. So again, in reading the book, all I could think about is, why am I not in Oregon right now? Good news, folks. I read the book and I went and bought 2 tickets for this coming weekend. I'll be back on the Oregon coast. Can't wait to get there. The next time you see me, Oregon will be behind me. I'm Jefferson Graham. You've been watching a book review segment of the Photowalks channel. I hope you'll subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for more Photowalks episodes. Thanks again for watching.